Today, I'll show you how to add a Tableau project to your resume effectively. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can showcase your Tableau skills to potential employers with ease. First, let's start by heading over to tableau.com. If you're not familiar with Tableau, it's a powerful data visualization tool that helps you transform data into actionable insights. Including a Tableau project on your resume can greatly enhance your credibility in data analysis and visualization roles. Once you're on the Tableau website, look over to the left side of your screen and click on Recent. This section will display all your recent projects, making it easy to locate the specific project you want to highlight on your resume. After you've found your project, select it and you'll notice three dots appearing nearby. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the Share option. Sharing your project means you'll be able to create a link that can be easily accessed by anyone you send your resume to. Next, you'll want to click on Copy Link. This action will copy the URL of your Tableau project to your clipboard. This is a crucial step as you'll need this link to direct potential employers to your work. Now open a new tab in your browser and navigate to canva.com. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating visually appealing resumes. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up first, but it's quick and free. Once you're on Canva, locate your resume project. If you haven't started one yet, you can easily create a new resume using one of Canva's many templates. This will serve as the document where you'll integrate your Tableau project link. Inside your resume project, the next step is to add a text box. This text box is where you'll paste the link to your Tableau project. Adding a text box is simple. Just click on the text option from the side menu and choose the style that best fits your resume design. After placing your text box in the desired location, paste the Tableau project URL you copied earlier. Make sure the text is clear and accessible. You might want to label the link with something like View My Tableau Project to make it immediately obvious to anyone reading your resume. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a Tableau project to your resume. This addition not only demonstrates your technical skills, but also shows your ability to communicate data-driven insights, a valuable skill in many professional fields today. Remember, when it comes to resumes, clarity and presentation are key. Ensure that your link stands out and is easy to click. You've now enhanced your resume with a dynamic element that can set you apart from other candidates. Good luck with your job search, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showcasing your Tableau expertise.